Hello, good morning everyone. Today's topic is inbreeding. What is inbreeding? In means within, breeding, which refers to mating between closely related individuals of the same breed. Let us take an example of a cattle. You are going to mate between an bull and a cow whose parents are similar. That is the example which I am taking to explain inbreeding. Hence it is defined as mating between two closely related individuals of the same breed whose parents are also same. Now in this example, this bull's and this cow's parents are same. That means these are siblings. Siblings I am mating. What is their genotype? Look at their genotype. I have taken heterozygous, capital A, small a, capital B, small b. Similarly, cow is also heterozygous for A allele and heterozygous for B. When you mate them, you will be having individuals whose genotype can be genotypes will be having four possibilities. First possibility, all can be heterozygous, individual can be homozygous for A, dominant A, and heterozygous for B, heterozygous for A, homozygous for B, and homozygous recessive for both A and B. Now look at the individuals formed. Here, if you find the fourth individual which is formed, all its alleles are recessive alleles. Usually, recessive alleles are considered harmful, which means, say, a cow is accumulating all the recessive allele, which means its ability to give milk per lactation will be very less or productivity will be very less. Hence, we don't want these um, all harmful recessive alleles. Hence, I have to eliminate these alleles. How I am going to eliminate this allele? That is the advantage. One of the advantage of inbreeding is harmful recessive alleles can be eliminated from the population by selection. What is this selection? Here, I am not going to consider this particular cattle for my next inbreeding. As a result, these particular harmful recessive genes will be eliminated from the entire family. Again, what I will do is in the next step, now three siblings are there. Let us take this particular member as cow, female, male, both are male. So first I will be mating a bull, first bull with the cow, then I will be mating third bull or a second bull with the cow. There we are in the first inbreeding we are going to get four individuals. These are the possibilities: heterozygous, heterozygous for A and homozygous dominant for B, homozygous recessive for A, heterozygous for B, homozygous dominant for both A and B. In this cross, in this particular inbreeding, if you observe the third cow which is formed, it will be having three recessive alleles, which means its productivity will be less. Hence, I will not consider it for our further inbreeding. That is the advantage. Harmful recessive genes, if it is there, it can be eliminated through selection. One advantage. Second advantage is by doing inbreeding, it will help us in accumulation of all superior genes. Look at here. I have our original ancestor was having heterozygous, but as I kept on inbreeding, I got all homozygous dominant alleles, which means it is having all the good characters in it. Hence, by doing inbreeding, we can accumulate superior genes. When superior genes are there, productivity will be more. That is the second advantage. Let us analyze the second inbreeding. In the second inbreeding also, I got heterozygous individual, homozygous recessive individual, again heterozygous and homozygous recessive, heterozygous. In this, if you consider which one I should eliminate, I will be eliminating second individual because it is having harmful recessive gene. Third one I will be eliminating because 3 recessive alleles are there. Hence, now by selection I will be selecting, again I will be inbreeding among these siblings for 4 to 6 generation. Hence inbreeding is mating between closely related individuals for 4 to 6 generation. Finally you will end up getting all homozygous dominant alleles in the individual, which means in your inbreeding, third advantage is it has increased homozygosity. Homozygosity is not in terms of recessive allele, dominant allele. More the dominant allele, more the productivity. Now, if more homozygosity is there, then you can consider this particular species or a breed as pure breed. Therefore, third advantage is inbreeding increases homozygosity, by which we can make particular breed as a pure line. Here, while considering a male and a female in a mating, what character you have to consider? Say there are 5 siblings. Out of 5 siblings, which particular two two individuals you are going to consider? You have to consider superior male and a superior female. What is meant by superior male and superior female? We are taking cow as an example, cattle. In that, superior male, which is nothing but a bull should be the one, it should be able to give a very good progeny, healthy progeny, then it is considered as superior male. Whereas superior female means one which can give milk, which is nothing but productivity. More milk should be given per lactation, that is superior female. So in your cross you have to consider superior male and a superior female, then you are going to that's how inbreeding is done. But even though it has got 3 advantages, there is a disadvantage. That what is that disadvantage? As you keep on inbreeding in the population, you will end up getting homozygous dominant allele. As I said, dominant allele, if it comes, it is good, but sometimes because of continuous inbreeding, the efficiency of these dominant allele to express decreases. When dominant allele won't be able to express after continuous inbreeding, the particular cow or particular animal's productivity will decrease. Its ability to give offspring, progeny, because superior male is measured in terms of healthy progeny, its ability to give progeny or fertility decreases. That is called inbreeding depression. Therefore, one of the disadvantages is the animal after continuous inbreeding, its fertility and productivity decreases, which is called inbreeding depression. How to overcome inbreeding depression? There is a solution. Suppose if this animal is having inbreeding depression whose fertility and productivity is low, you have to mate this particular cow with a bull of same breed but whose ancestors are different. That is known as outcrossing. I have written outcrossing refers to mate a particular animal with the same breed but unrelated, means its ancestors or it does not belong to this particular family. So that's how we can overcome inbreeding depression. Thank you. I hope you have understood.